Imagine a bomber so fast that in the early 1960s, it could outrun many fighter jets. A bomber that shattered world speed records. A bomber that looked more like a futuristic spacecraft than a Cold War aircraft. This was the B-58 Hustler. America's first operational supersonic bomber, a machine capable of flying at twice the speed of sound. A technological marvel decades ahead of its time. Yet, despite its incredible performance, the B-58 disappeared after only a short operational career. Retired, abandoned, and nearly forgotten. How could one of the most advanced bombers ever built vanish so quickly? Was it a failure? A victim of changing warfare? The story begins during one of the most dangerous periods in human history, the Cold War. The United States and the Soviet Union were locked in a nuclear standoff. Military planners believed speed would be the key to survival. If a bomber could fly faster than enemy interceptors, it could deliver its nuclear payload before being stopped. The answer appeared in the form of the B-58 Hustler. Sleek, delta-winged, and unlike anything that had ever flown before. The B-58 became the world's first operational bomber, capable of sustained Mach 2 flight. At full speed, the aircraft could exceed 1,300 mph. For comparison, many frontline fighters of the era struggled to match it. Pilots described flying the Hustler as entering the future. Everything about it pushed technology to the limit. At first, military leaders celebrated the Hustler. Newspapers called it revolutionary. Engineers praised its innovation. Pilots admired its power. Yet operational reality proved brutal. The aircraft demanded extraordinary maintenance. Its systems were incredibly complex. Its operating costs were enormous, and accidents began to occur. More than 25% of all B-58s built were lost in accidents during testing and operations. That statistic shocked the Air Force. Each crash meant losing one of America's most advanced strategic bombers, and sometimes its highly trained crew. The aircraft was simply unforgiving. One small mistake at Mach 2 could become fatal. Suddenly, the future of strategic bombing looked less certain. The B-58 Hustler represented the peak of Cold War ambition, a bomber designed to outrun danger, outfly its enemies, and redefine strategic warfare. Yet history took a different path. Technology evolved, threats changed, and the world's fastest bomber became obsolete sooner than anyone expected. But its legacy survived. Not as a failure, but as a symbol of innovation pushed to the absolute limit. If you enjoy hidden military aviation stories, Cold War secrets, legendary bombers, and untold aerospace history, subscribe now to Supersonic News, because the next aircraft we uncover may have been even more advanced and even more mysterious than the legendary B-58 Hustler.